Introducing new Saturn pedalboard SUP Kayak. It can move fast, up to 4 miles per hour. Kayak pedal can be used to adjust direction as needed. For more advanced operations, optional kayak rudder attachment included. Do-it-yourself rudder steering system can be easily added. Can be as simple as 2 strings run through D-rings on both sides of board that pull rudder to steer kayak in a direction it need to go. 2 rubber cords attached to both handles to keep rudder centered. Pull left handle to steer to left and right handle to steer to the right. Saturn SUP325 inflatable board with a pedal drive offers plenty of excitement on a water at affordable budget price. Most types of beach chairs can be attached on top and secured with simple system of 4 doubled rings. Saturn pedalboard is powered by your feet. It is absolute joy and fun to ride. Gear tracks allow installation of multiple kayak accessories, fishing rod holders, cup holders, etc. Please visit www.boats2go.com to order now.